Like before meeting Dr. C and like the hormone center here, I was plateaued of weight loss. I couldn't lose weight, sexually incompetent, couldn't get erections anymore. Lack of energy, just wore out all the time. What made me really decide to pick up the phone and call Doc is I knew my testosterone was low, I didn't know how low it was, lack of energy, and just the thought of being able to help me with my, especially with my wife personally, intimately. And then, wow, to learn also I had a thyroid issue. And that was possibly a big stumbling block upon me losing weight, because I've been on the Ozempic for 7-8 years, got off insulin years ago. So I have really plateaued at losing weight. It just, hey, I need to see Doc to see if he can help me this. Hormone therapy, first time I heard about it truly is here in Dr. C. Since then, I've shared back in Missouri, and most, just like Dr. C, most other doctors are so 10 to 20 years behind in knowledge and technology of the treatments. I've been talking with my orthopedic surgeon, his wife is an anesthesiologist. She complains how bad Missouri is 20 years behind the times, and they are. The first quarter, not a whole lot of changes because we did this during the holiday season that year, but when we made a full commitment in January, when we met Doc again in March that year, we started seeing major improvements. And with stepping increases of the medicines and testosterone and so forth, really started seeing some improvements, and they were staying off, the weight loss and the energy increasing. So it took about 6 months, but it takes a commitment from yourself to also follow that process. I have gone from being weak and wore out and couldn't even walk 5 minutes, and if I wanted to exercise, I would. Do not exercise, but I have stamina to do things. And then also, background real quick, in 2005, I weighed 475 pounds. I was able to help myself reduce that 3 years ago to be consistently around 340, 350. And with the help of Doc and the results, he's helped me with my different medicines here, and the thyroid and the testosterone give me more energy. I am right now right at 240. The goal is to get 220, and Doc is really helping me get through that and maintain it and educate me upon the lifestyle change. And it is a lifestyle change. I mean, you just eat better and you take care of your body better. I wish I saw him before my first heart attack. I wouldn't have been there. He would have caught it. I just love the fact that he supports a cardiologist and they work together to improve their percentage of misdiagnosis that he can catch. And yes, it may be not covered by insurance, but it's worth the cost to stay alive and stay healthy. I consider like drinking from the fountain of youth. And to go back to the weight, I was wearing a 60 waist pant. I am now 36. I haven't been there since 6th grade. So I feel like I've gained youth back. I am 63 years old, and I feel like I'm 40 again. What's impressed me the most about the staff here, like I said, they're all friendly, welcoming. It feels like home. I don't know how else to describe it. It just feels like you meet an extended part of your family.